going on, everybody, man? Check me out, dude. It's sunny, it's bright out here. We have a little bit of cloud cover, so it's not too hot, man. So I'm gonna get out here, show you the front headlights on the 09 Ram and how bad they are and how they look on the truck. Now we're gonna go through the process of cleaning them, and I'm gonna clean one at a time. So we'll take the driver's side off, I'm gonna clean it, we'll go through the process, I'll show you, and then we'll put it back on and we'll do a comparison between the two and see if we ended up any better. I have all my stuff laid out on my table over here, so let me jump out here, give you this quick shot, get this headlight out, and we'll get this party started. Here it is, man. This is the one we're gonna start with, dude. We're gonna start with the driver's side. I'm giving y'all a shot, so hopefully y'all can pick up how bad it is, how hazy it is. You really can't pick the scratches up like I can with my eyes. Let's see if we can't get a little shot down the side. You see all them scratches on it right there, man? So the purpose is to try to get that out. So let me get these ripped out. At the end of the video, I'll link a couple of videos. One, how to remove the grill. One, how to remove the headlight on your 4th generation Ram. Here we are, man. So we got the light out. We got it in the garage. Now that it's in the shade, you can see the haziness. I mean, it gets real bad over here on the reflector side. So that's what we're gonna try to get out. Now this is what I got to do it with. I have the Meguiar's 2-step kit. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean it with my glass cleaner, and then I'm gonna hit it with this. It's a cleaning solution. So this here, man, is for haziness. It's not really for scratches. It's the moderate kit if you look here on the side. I should have got the severe kit, but I had this from when I did it on the blue truck, and it only had hazy headlights, and it worked miracles, man. So, and they give you little scuffing pads here. You can see them on the box. I use both of them on the blue truck. So this is what I'm gonna do with this headlight because it's in worse shape. So I'm gonna get my 1000 grit. I have 1000 grit sandpaper, and then we're gonna hit it with 1500. We're gonna hit it with 2000. Then our scuffing pad. We're gonna use this cleaning solution with it on every step, every piece of sandpaper. And then we're gonna hit it with the glass cleaner one more time when we're done. And then we're gonna use this headlight coating, which when I hit the blue truck's headlights with this, man, they was like brand new again. So let me get y'all set up. This is our setup, and then we're gonna get going. So first step, seeing as I hadn't washed the truck in a while, glass cleaner. And I've come to realize this Sprayway glass cleaner is cheap, and man, it works good. So let's get into this, man. And I use my lint-free rag. Use a lint-free rag. You don't want all that lint on the light. So we're gonna give it a good clean. Man, you can really see that. You can really see them scratches across there. Somebody worked some miracles with this thing. It looks like they got some 600 grit, went to town. So we're gonna give that just a few seconds to dry, fellas. All right, so here we go, man. 1000 grit sandpaper, cleaning solution. This has had a few seconds to dry. We're gonna fold it in half. You know, you want your fingers to contour the edge. You don't want a flat spot, and we're gonna do circles like this. We're not gonna go back and forth or up and down. We're gonna do circles, except for right here. We'll go like that. I'll show y'all right now. Put a little bit of this cleaner on here. Let's see what we can come up with. And after each process, we're gonna wipe the coating off, right, and see where we're at. Because we want to try to get all them fine little scratches out of there too. That's one of my problems. Is that somebody literally dug deep scratches into this thing. Okay, man, so we scrubbed it down to the point to where once the cleaning solution here got tacky, it was still kind of smooth. So let's give it a wipe down. See where we're at. Now yes, the purpose is it's gonna look hazy until we put the headlight coating on there, and it's supposed to shine it right up. That's what it did on the blue truck. I'm just using sandpaper to see if I can't get some of these scratches out here. I mean, because they're bad. They're real bad. 1500 grit cleaning solution. And one thing to note is that I put mine on a cardboard box. It's easier to deal with. You don't have to worry about the plastic getting all messed up on the back. And you can roll it over on the side and get it like that, and it makes it easier. So with that, we're gonna jump right into it. More cleaning solution all over the sandpaper here, and then we shall carry on. You know, this might not turn out the way I want it to. I'm just hoping it will at this point. And if it don't, maybe we'll start out, maybe we'll just go get us a little more coarse of a sandpaper. All right, that's the 1500 grit. Let's wipe it down, see if we made any progress. Still looks pretty hazy. We'll wipe it all the way down, man. Those scratches are still in there pretty good. They're getting smoother, but I don't know if they're gonna go away. So let me get set up for that 2000 grit. We'll jump on that. We'll run through that process real quick. Oh man, jumping right into it. 2000 grit, same cleaning solution. Man, I show y'all every time so y'all know I'm being true with y'all. Put some goop on there. Let's get it going. Man, between that goop and my sweat, this stuff is slick, slick, slick. That's that 2000 grit. So, and one thing to note, man, 1500 and 2000 grit sandpaper is polishing paper. It's not really a sanding paper, but I do feel like it'll help get them small scratches out and some of that haze. I mean, besides that right there, it's looking pretty good already. So far, man, it looks, well, let's be honest, it looks the same. So we're gonna use this abrasion pad right here, little scuffing pad. Put some more goop on there. We're gonna go to town, man. See what we got with this. This is almost the same type material that the little sanding pads they send with the kit. It's about the same. So we're really gonna get on it. Okay, so we got there, man. That's the last little scuff with my little abrasion pad here. We're gonna wipe it down. We're gonna see what the rough finish looks like. Get the excess off. I know one thing, fellas, that light feels smooth, smooth, smooth. So there's that. And then we're gonna clean it. You know, clean it real good, let it dry, right? And then we'll do the headlight coating. When I go to do that, y'all will be clicked on. So here it is, guys. It's all cleaned up, man. This is what we got. Now, this is the headlight coating. Now, after cleaning it, and then cleaning it with glass cleaner, so it says to do one medium coat, wet coat, over the whole entire lens, spraying 50% over each spray. Let dry 3 to 5 minutes. And then do a medium wet coat, which will finish sealing the headlights. So let's get into that first coat and see what we got. We're gonna do nice steady sprays all the way across. And that's that. We're gonna let it set and dry. And then when we're done with that, when it dries, we'll do the second coat. And while that dries, man, look at that, dude. Look at how nice that looks. So the can says to do this in shade, not in direct sunlight. So we're just gonna let it dry here in the shade. I mean, wow, dude, that is amazing. Now, this is our second coat. It's supposed to be a medium wet coat, and it's supposed to complete the sealing process. Then we'll let it dry, then we'll put it on the truck. And out of all fairness, I'll take the glass cleaner and clean the other headlight because this one's been cleaned with glass cleaner, and then we'll compare the two. And then once I do the other one, I'm not gonna go through the process with y'all. You know what I mean? Because it's gonna be the same thing. And once I get it done, I'll get it back in the truck. I'll give y'all a final shot. And then y'all can drop down in the comments and let me know if it looks better, worse, or just the same. So let's jump right into this now that that's done. Do our second coat. So this time I'm gonna do full swipes, but I'm gonna go a little slower. And you always wanna check your can. Always. Always overlap 50%, it says. And then that should be it. We're gonna let that dry and we'll put it on the truck. So while that other headlight's drying, y'all know I like to show y'all what I'm doing. So here we go. I'm gonna clean this one so we can do a good comparison between the two. So you know, at least the dirt and grime is off of it. Like I stated earlier in the video, I hadn't washed the truck in 2-3 weeks. So there it is, man. The headlight's nice and clean. The other one should be drying up soon. We'll get it back on the truck. I'll give you a shot of both of them. All right, guys, so here we are, man. Passenger side, this is the one we hadn't cleaned. Good look at it there. Go over here to the driver's side. This is the one we did clean. Look at that, dude. That thing is beautiful. So it did come out the way I wanted it to. Look at that. There's still a little haze, but not much. And then we'll come back over here, passenger side. We'll get a shot from the side there. Look at that, man. Look at the difference. So I'm gonna rip this one out, get it all cleaned up. When I get it back in the truck, I'll give y'all one last shot, and then that'll be what's up. So here we go, guys, man. That's it. We got it done. I'm gonna show you this passenger one, give you a side shot right here. Man, that thing come out nice, dude. Show you the driver's side here. Same thing from the side. Man, that thing is beautiful. So with all that, man, y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all think it did better or worse. I think they look great. In the morning, I'll give you a short little video. Y'all look out for a short video in the morning for what it looks like with the headlights on. I can give you a shot there in the day real quick. And that's what you can't really see though. So y'all stay tuned for the short in the morning. And man, that's what's up. So keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Let your boy know what's up in the comments. And I'm out.